Look at this big fucker.
Fucking funny if it jumped on you.
Oh, I wouldn't. I'd probably cry. G'day and welcome back to Foord Offroad. This video, me and Lewis.
No.
Gonna go down Gulpa Forest. This is the first ride we've been in down Gulpa Forest since the major floods. If you look through the trees, you can see the high water mark. And that water mark's like 5 meters above the normal river mark. Like you couldn't get in any bush down here at all. So we're going for a ride to see damage of the bush and see if we can actually ride down here if it's still flooded. So enjoy the ride. I keep seeing massive cobwebs in front of me and like diving out of the way of them.
Do you want
I feel like I've got enough on me already.
You want a bit more?
No, I'll be good, thanks. I got heaps on me already. As long as I don't have the spider that goes with it, then that's fine.
You'll end up with a spider.
I'll go straight my bike into the bush if I have a spider.
Go into the river.
Yeah, straight into the water. No more dodging it. Take one out.
Huh?
Dude, take one out.
Yeah, fucking heaps.
I thought when I turned in there, I thought there'll be heaps in here.
Looks like some fucking swamp monster should come out and eat us.
Yeah. All these low-lying bits are going to be full of water for months. Eerie when you look through and see the like the high water mark.
not still here.
Hmm. Do you reckon the bridge was obviously underwater by this shit on top of it, but
Yeah, I don't reckon by much, but...
not by much, yeah. Because the railings aren't that dirty.
No, I don't reckon the rails were. It's probably only just over it.
That worked pretty good. Big cobwebs. That one's got a big fucking spider in it. Fuck spiders. Wash off those cobwebs. That looks muddy. Boggy as I expected so far.
No,
they're just water.
Whereas the water running so fast washed all the mud away.
Yeah, true. Look at that thing. In a cobweb that you can barely see hanging across the track. Fuck you, spider. Another one up there. Look at that shit. This is like scary as. Fucking hate spiders. Spiders are my least favourite thing on the planet. that's a major inconvenience.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot.
Can't go around it either because it's low as on both sides.
Fucking earth.
Like, yeah, the road's built up.
Yeah, hey.
Well, I guess,
I mean, you could get through there if you really wanted to, but I can't be.
I don't want to lift the bikes over that and over that. And
You'd have to lift them over and
okay, we're going to turn around. Can't go past that tree. If we really wanted to lift the bikes over and fuck around pages, we could go past that tree, but we're just going to go back and head in a different direction. So yeah. Oh no!
God damn it!
We'll push it.
That's a cunt.
It is. We'll push it back out this side. Are you going to push it through or are you going to push it back?
Nah, I reckon through.
Righto.
And it was the one time I forget to put the fucking tool kit on the front of the bike.
I've got a couple tools. Yeah, I've got tools, but I've only got the tools that fit my bike.
Oh, I fucking forgot all about
And KTM decides to use weird sizes.
Yeah.
Gonna do it. Oh, it's gonna start.
That's just me. I think easy fucking water crossing. And I listen to my John Jarvis audio book. I really am.
Righto. Unless I get eaten by spiders, I'll be back. Right, I'm gonna go back to the ute and get a strap to tow Lewis out of here because we can't get these bikes. So I'm gonna grab some tools and he's gonna pull a spark plug out. Just have a quick go at fixing it, but I don't have any tools to fit his bike. So I'm gonna go and get his toolkit out of the trailer, come back, and go from there. I'll try go on the middle and see if it works. No, not gonna work. Into the run. Try not to spin the wheel too much because it's wobby as. Hey, that is really wobby. Anyway. Ah, always take your tools. What's that? A spark plug. I bet take that for him as well. This little bag is a fantastic idea. Just clips around your fender like that. All your tools in it. It's not going anywhere. And it's not really that much weight. Right. Okay. Rescue mission is a go. So if anyone wants to buy a pretty capable, well set up for camping and touring Hilux, send the channel a message. This absolute weapon is for sale.
Teach me to fucking put that tool bag on every time, won't it?
Yep. Good? We're just going to go first gear, just slow. started, it got to go, and it's not running how it should, but it is running good enough that we're just going to go back to the car. So yeah, there is a hell of a lot more that we were going to look at, but between Lewis's bike not running very well now, and well, basically it turns off every time he takes the hand off to the accelerator, and because I've ridden around back and forth so much, I've probably got almost no skills left. Get out of the bush, got the SD card in the laptop, and upload a video for you guys. I was gonna ride up, like nah, nah.
So now I don't know, like it seems to be running good, but now I don't know if it's me second guessing that every now and again it does something weird, or if it's...
I'll put a
new plug through the air filter,
the
change
air
the oil.
Yeah,
I'll probably compression test it too, since it's easy.
yeah.
Lucky I've still got someone.
Where'd you get that?
Alright. Oh, it made it. We didn't have to tow the fucking thing.
So that was our ride today.
Sorry.
lots of spiders, water, and a rescue mission. Anyway, the next video will be in the high country, with or without Lewis. I don't know if you... with Lewis. He's going to fix his bike before then. He's got 4 weeks. So
that's long enough to rebuild it and run it in.
Next video will be in the high country, so like and subscribe. See you in the next one.